Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing the brand Houston-based Sunday Riley. So I was asked to go to an event a couple weeks ago at Alice and Olivia in River Oaks. The brand Sunday Riley was there and wanted to show me some of their new products. So I RSVP'd, and yes, I went, and then I got to meet a bunch of cool people, which was really nice. I think I'll be doing an event with Alice and Olivia beginning of August. I don't know, we'll see. Either way, cute tissue paper. Throw that aside. I got a ton of goodies that they gave me to try. What they gave me was ceramic slip clay cleanser. It purifies the complexion, visibility, minimizes the appearance of pores, and removes excess oil and impurities for normal to oily skin. We'll see what this looks like. I haven't used it yet, like I said, but I will. Cute packaging. They also gave me their 3-step system called Bright Young Things Skin Brightening Kit, and in the kit it had the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, which is an advanced skin brightening treatment infused into a next generation water cream. It delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid, I cannot pronounce that, for youthfully hydrated and visibly plumped skin. Papaya enzymes and smooth and exfoliate, while alpha-arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of surface hyperpigmentation and age spots. That's huge for me because I do have this. What's so annoying is, like, I have hypothyroidism and I tend to get like hyperpigmentation on my skin, especially if I'm exposed to any sun, and so you'll get like brown spots, but they're not age spots, it's just like hyperpigmentation, if that makes any sense. Like, I darken in places, I don't know why. So you can apply it morning and night to clean skin. It can also be patted gently on top of makeup for instant radiance. So this is it. It's green. It's very smooth. It's kind of buttery. It's got like a sheen, like a glow to it. I'm not sure I'd put that on top of my makeup. Only for the fact that it might make my, contour or whatever makeup I'm wearing slip around, especially if I already have powder on my face. So I don't think I would use that as like a glow throughout the day. Like, I don't know, I just wouldn't. The Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. For sensitive skin, use as a mask. In 3 minutes, skin is radiant and fine lines are visibly plumped for younger, smoother skin. CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Its 15% advanced vitamin C is targeted to fight the appearance of surface dark spots, discolorations, and dullness while diminishing the signs of aging. Skin looks firmer and plumper as youthful skin easy for me to say, as youthful skin bounce and even tone are restored. So it says this is the 3-step system to visibly brighten the surface of the skin. AM, cleanse skin and apply CEO. I just washed my face. CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. 2 pumps. It smells good. It smells like oranges, but not like overpowering. Like, no one would be like, what smells like oranges, If that makes sense. It's like really, really nice. Like, if you're sensitive to fragrance, you're not going to be sensitive to this, I feel like, because it's just, ooh, it's kind of thick, but then it like thins out. I don't know how to explain that. It feels good. Feels hydrating. The Influencer by Sunday Riley. It is a clean longwear foundation. Let's see, $42. which isn't bad for a foundation. You get 1.08 ounces. They gave me 2 colors. They're gonna be like sending out more and like launching a little bit more of like a makeup line, I believe. I could be wrong on that, but when I get more in the mail, I will let you know. But the Influencer Clean Longwear Foundation, it's natural looking longwear, lightweight feel, satin matte finish, medium to full coverage. I'm a full coverage queen, so I love that you can either have it as medium or buildable. They gave me 2 colors, 170 and 200. 200 is probably going to be better for when I'm a little more tan. I was tan and then I lost it. Pretty packaging. So I'm going to swatch both of these on my hand and we'll see which one. Can you see the difference? Why am I leaning so weird? But this one totally matches me better than this one right now. That one's for when I have a little more of a yellow undertone, aka when I get my tan on. So since we basically already primed our face, but we're just gonna go for it. I've already wet my beauty blender, like one side with a sponge and one side with a brush to see how it changes. I like to apply it right onto the sponge. I don't know. I can't get it on my face nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna use a mirror to apply it on one side of my face. Now it's definitely, okay, like I said, I'm a full coverage queen. It definitely covers up dark spots. Like there's still some darkness you can see. It's not quite dried down yet, so like we'll see in a second. I want to see if it sinks into my smile lines though. Focus, there we go. And I'm going to apply it right onto the brush. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I do it anyways. Because it sinks down into the bristles, but if you get it up in your face quick enough, it won't. So now I'm just going to buff it into my skin. I mean, definitely gives me like a pretty glow. We'll see how buildable it is though. Like the first go around, I definitely think it's more of like a medium coverage. Which I love though for summertime, because like something you don't always want like full heavy makeup during the summer. So I actually kind of like this. It's kind of perfect that I just received it during the summer. Yeah, see, you can still see my freckles on my nose. I don't know how well you can see that. You can still see my freckles. It does give like texture a little bit, or like lets my texture show through a little more. I would definitely still use a concealer. I think I like the sponge side better than the brush side. The brush side kind of got a little streaky. You know what? I'm going to add a little more. We'll see. Really focus on my nose and underneath my eyes. Into the crease of my nose. See, I still have like darker circles here. I think once I get a concealer on, I'll be golden. Here we go. I'm gonna finish my face. Speeding up. So final thoughts for now. I'm about to do lip swatches for Jeffree Star, but final thoughts for now. I like it. It gives me a dewy glow. Like, honestly, I didn't need highlighter, but, you know, I love highlighter. Hello from space. Like, I love, you know, glowing. Like, does it oxidize? Maybe a little, but honestly not much. Like, you can't really tell. Like it's not, yeah, I like it. I don't know what else to say. I would definitely, I don't always set my whole face, but with this one, if you have oilier skin, I would totally set your whole face with powder and maybe a mattifying setting spray so that we know it holds up. I do have deep crevices right here, smile lines, so I set those, like I baked those, and I baked my forehead and under my eyes, so I will let you know my final thoughts on the foundation. I will talk to you in a bit.